Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an editor tag. First, understand what an editor tag is and why it's important for your content's branding. Next, gather your essential tools, like your preferred video editing software and any specific branding assets you want to include. Finally, choose an editing platform that suits your skill level and project needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow for creating your tag. Now, let's dive into the creative process of designing your tag. Select a visual style that truly represents your brand and content. Incorporate your unique branding elements, such as your logo, specific colors, or a custom font, to make it instantly recognizable. Remember to keep the overall design clean and professional, ensuring it enhances your video without being distracting. Once your editor tag is designed, it's time for implementation. Integrate the tag seamlessly into your video project using your editing software. Pay close attention to its placement and timing, ensuring it appears at an appropriate moment without interrupting the flow. Finally, export your finished video with the tag included, making sure to use settings that maintain high quality. To truly maximize your tag's impact, maintain consistent usage across all your videos. Always review your tag for clarity, ensuring it effectively communicates your brand message and leaves a lasting impression. A well-crafted tag enhances professionalism and audience recognition. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Remember, a polished tag is a key part of your video's identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.